Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Gashi with a song called Broken Sign. So Gashi, I believe that's the first time here in Garden Guitar. And Gashi has this modern country style, and that's great. Let's take a look at this Broken Sign. So we have the setup here with the capo on the 2nd fret, and with that we have 4 different chords. And we have 2 bar chords and 2 standard chords. Let's take a look at B minor first. So that's a bar chord. You play the bar on the 2nd fret with the index finger, and you cover 5 strings from bottom up like this. So you don't have to bar the last E string there. Anyway, that's the bar, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Right, that's the B minor. Next chord is the F sharp minor. A bar chord still on the 2nd fret. This time you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have A. We go with the sus version, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the last chord. And it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the intro melody first. And yeah, I'm gonna give you the notes for it, and you're gonna start with B minor, of course. So it goes like this. You can add a clap there, it's great. So what you're gonna do here is to play the 2nd fret A string together with 4th G. It's from the actual chord. So then you're gonna play 4th G again. Then 2nd G, you just lift off to get that 2nd G from the bar finger. And then you hit the clap. Then 4th G and 2nd G. That's it for B minor. It goes like this. Okay. Next chord is the F sharp minor. You're gonna follow the same melody, now just different bass note. You have now the 2nd fret E string as the new bass. The melody and everything else is the exact same thing. So you're gonna play 2nd fret E string together with 4th G. Then 4th G again, 2nd G, then clap, 4th G, and 2nd G. And then we have the A part, and it goes like this. That is open A together with open B, then open B again, then 2nd G, then clap, then open B, and 2nd G. And then we have the final chord, the E, and that part goes. That is to play the open E string in the bass together with open B, then open high E, then clap, open B, and 2nd G. That's the end note. So there we have the melody, and it goes like this, a little bit slower than standard tempo. So really listen and hear what we can and will play. So let's go. Yeah, there you have it, guys. That's the melody. Now let's go into the meat and potato of this song, and that will be the strumming. So now you will hold the full chords as they are, the B minor, F sharp, A, and E. And it's a very simple strumming pattern. If you grab the first chord, the B minor, you have down, up, clap. And that's one string around. So down, up, clap, down, up, clap. You're gonna play one string around per chord. So that will be so once you know the notes and the melody and you know the strumming and the chords, you can play around with it like I just did and do it in your own style. Give it some more to it if you want to spice it up a little bit. Anyway, that is how I handle Gashi's Broken Sign. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Leave me a comment, subscribe to this channel. That will be great for me. And thank you so much for your support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.